And Jamaican-born Canadian cricketer Aaron Johnson is on the island on a twofold mission. He's helping to give back to some farmers who were affected by Hurricane Melissa, but he also has a vested interest in the development of cricket at the grassroots level.
Aaron Johnson, who retired from international cricket in 2025, is not letting that stop him from giving back to the sport. And he made a stop recently at the Greater Portmore Primary.
And I'm looking to make an impact at the grassroots level. So I'm here at Greater Portmore Primary, interacting with the kids, trying to help them.
Johnson says it's critical to focus on development at the primary level.
Because we talk about West Indies cricket and we know how much West Indies cricket means to us as a region. However, we need a grassroots program to feed into the high schools and then to the national level. And I do believe that if we identify the talent at the age group of 10, 12, it is very, very important.
He also brought along a regional coach with him.
Felix Walker, who is now assistant coach with the Guyanese national team. He would have played a high level of cricket in England. He would have, played semi-county. And just the whole notion of how you nurture talent, I've had that experience to be alongside him. Playing in a club called Starlight that is very close to heart, in England, and just the way he nurtured talent and the impact he has, and not only on myself, but some other talented players who would have come through, someone like a Fabian Allen, someone like a Wayne Morgan, we're talking about Anthony Allen from Barbados.
Felix Walker was only too happy to come on board.
On the schedule, we planned for us to go around to a number of schools and to engage with the teachers, the PE teachers, as well as the students, give them a brief demonstration and introduction into